The Daily Code Snippet. What is semantic markup? HTML tags are generally used to format content. As we described previously, an opening tag, a closing tag, and the contents define an HTML element. The tags tell the browser how to display the content, but they don't always indicate what role the content plays on a page. A good example of this is the div element. With HTML5, semantic elements were introduced to help solve this issue. Prior, to define a header of a page, you would write div opening tag, ID equals header, div closing tag. More on ID later. With semantic HTML5, we now have elements that identify content to both the browser and the developer. Some examples of semantic markup include header, nav, main, section, article, aside, and footer. Why use semantic markup? To a sighted user, it may be easy to identify types of content at a glance, such as the header, footer, and main content. Semantic markup helps identify what role each piece of content plays on a web page to someone using an assistive device. So it makes your web page more accessible. Using semantic markup also helps the indexing of your page by search engines such as Google or Bing by identifying and prioritizing the main content. Pages with correctly applied semantic markup will have an advantage in SEO or search engine optimization. Properly annotated websites lead to a favorable ranking with the algorithms. Presented by Designers Learn Code.